In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a Take Profit Trader account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. From here, you'll need to go up to takeprofittrader.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you should be looking something like this. And here you can see you can get started down here to create an account. And if you don't already have an account, you need to click here. But if you do, you can just log in by clicking login up here in the right hand corner. From here, you'll see this option right here. And here you can choose between 25k, 50k, 75k, 100k, or 150k. So let's take the one that is suitable for you and click Start Now. From here, you'll need to enter your personal details and enter your email, your password, and confirm your password. You also need to click that read and agree the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. And from here, then you're not a robot. From here, you'll need to click Next. And then you'll get a confirmation email that you'll need to accept. And then you're gonna go into the dashboard and you gotta add in your KYC. It's super easy to do. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you can see you'll have your test, you'll have your create new journey. And if you click on that, you'll see up here that you can create a subscription-based account over here. And as you can see here, you can get 25k right here for as low as $20 per month. So from here, you need to click Next. And from here, you can see the CGG data feed where you can choose between NinjaTrader, TradingView, or TraderVate. You can also choose Rhythm data feed, which are RTrader, QuantTrader, MolitoTrader, and a bunch of other ones. Personally, I'll do the recommended, also NinjaTrader, TradingView, or TraderVate, and just click Next. From here, you'll see this page right here, where you can add a promo code if you want to do that by clicking here and write it, and then click Add and Apply. Once you've done that, you need to go down to complete payment either via bank or credit card, PayPal, or your wallet inside of Take Profit Trader. From here, you can see you will be billed every 30 days until the subscription is cancelled. From here, you'll need to click I've read and agreed to the test rules, I've read and agreed with the class action waiver and arbitration agreement, I have read and agreed the dispute rescission and the refund policy, and I have read and agree with the privacy policy, and lastly I agree to get billed every single month, and I acknowledge that I can cancel whenever I want by following these steps right here. From here, you'll need to click Next and then add your credit card details and then click Buy. From here, you'll be able to see over here your subscription and your account, and then you'll be able to take part of your challenge. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.